Hi, this is Bill with Farland Classic Restoration again, doing another walk around of one of our cars, and this one we're really excited about because it's a pretty rare bird. Now, at first glance, it just looks like a Ferrari 575. Everybody knows those, which looks a lot like a Ferrari 550 Maranello. But this particular 575 is one of very few that came to America with a manual 6-speed transmission. 2002 was the first year that Ferrari installed their F1 paddle shift transmission in their 12-cylinder car. And most of these O2s were delivered with that Formula One transmission. But there were a few holdouts out there who wanted the manual shifting experience. This car was ordered new by one of them. At the same time, he chose a lot of very special options for the car. We know the car's complete history, and it's only gone 3,700 miles since new. Since the exterior of this car looks like pretty much every other 575, the most unique aspects of this one, besides the transmission, are in the interior. The gentleman who ordered this car new opted for the color-matched dashboard rather than the standard flat black. The car does have Daytona patterned seats in it, and the Bordeaux color was carried through not only on the dash, but also on the steering wheel. Other options included leather headliner in matching Bordeaux, and the leather rear shelf back here, also in Bordeaux colored leather. And everything is accented with silver gray stitching. That comprised most of the options on the interior of the car. We have all of its original owner's books, the original window sticker that itemizes all of that, the package of tools, the tire inflator, the red bag with the covers, everything that came with this car new, we have. Ferrari used to change their exterior and interior color choices from year to year, and titanium was a new color for 2002. It has proven to be really popular as an alternative to the conventional silver, and many of these got the traditional black interior. But as we say, whoever ordered this car new really had an eye for color and style, and this Bordeaux leather is just fabulous. The car is absolutely as new. Lighter has never been used. It's never had a cigarette inside it. It's always had these nice Cavallino stitched aftermarket mats to protect the carpets. It's as close to new as you're ever likely to find one, again, with just over 3,000 miles. Many of the cars that we have sold over the years come to us as fresh faces. We don't know too much about them. We sometimes have some paperwork that tell us where the car's been and what kind of life it's led. But this particular car was sold new at a time that I was running the local Ferrari dealership. And while I didn't sell this car new, I did sell it 2 years later to the gentleman that we have the car from now. So we've known this car since it was new. It was sold originally at the Shelton Ferrari dealership in Florida, and the car has been here in Colorado ever since 2004. Let's take a look under the hood. The 575 generation of the V12 is just a beautiful thing to look at. It had got all of its developmental work done during the 550 period, so all the little things that needed to be improved got improved. We have service records on the car back to when it was new. It has been carefully maintained. Again, we have a file of records. It's always gotten the annual services as it should. Timing belts have been changed. Recently got a new battery. And Scout's honor, we have not detailed the car. This is how we got it 2 days ago. This is how the owner has kept it. Obviously, he never drove it very much, so it's not too surprising that it's clean. But the gentleman was somebody who I've sold other Ferraris to over the years. He's very particular about caring for his automobiles, and whoever gets this one is going to be a very fortunate enthusiast. Back here, everything is as it was originally. We have the red nylon Ferrari car cover and seat covers. We have the full, complete package of owner's books in their leather pouch. including spare keys, alarm remotes, even the little flashlight that is always missing from these cars. Warranty books, radio code cards, every single thing. We have a file of records on the car since it was new. And under here, we have the original leather toolkit that came with the car. In there are the hand tools, the towing hook, spare bulbs, spare fuses. And in the cloth bag there is the pressurized container of tire fix-a-flat with sealant and compressed air. Sharp-eyed viewers will notice that this car has the popular accessory 2B exhaust system on it. That was installed just a few years ago, polished stainless steel, and boy does it sound good. That's why people put them on the cars. If we can answer any questions for you about the car, we'd love to talk to anyone about it. Call our number, either Tom or I will be happy to help you. And thank you again for watching. We look forward to earning your business.